In 1877, a peculiar phenomenon was discovered in St. Paul's Cathedral, London. The Whispering Gallery, a circular walkway 99 feet above the cathedral floor, became famous for its acoustic oddity. Visitors found that a whisper against the wall could be heard clearly on the opposite side, 112 feet away. This marvel puzzled scientists and intrigued the public. Was it magic or mere physics? The gallery became a symbol of architectural genius, drawing curious minds from around the world. Today, it remains a testament to the wonders of human ingenuity and the mysteries of sound.